Good morning and namaskar. We are going to see a rising company, a new company, rising company, Apollo TRICOAT Tubes. It is the subsidiary of a subsidiary of Apollo Tubes Limited. It offers TMT bars, rolled products, billets, ingots, steel pipes, etc. to real estate developers, capital goods manufacturers, scrap holding manufacturers, etc. It is based at New Delhi. The company has its manufacturing facilities at Malur Industrial Area in Bengaluru and in Dadri, Uttar Pradesh. Headquarters New Delhi. Part of the Apollo, APL Apollo Group. Now, let us take a look at part of the annual report. The message from the managing director, Rahul Gupta, says, I am excited about the future as the journey ahead promises to be riveting. It is likely. Future is likely to be much better than the past. Overall, it has 5 products, TRICOAT, Signature, Elegant, Plank, etc. Last year, the production utilization was 70% to 80%. In FY 19-20, the top line was 663.25 crores, net profit was 42.26 crores, and EBITDA per ton was 6,124. Debt equity ratio was 0.6x. Company registered net cash from operations of 83.34 crores in 2019-20. Malur unit in Bengaluru has got a production capacity of 1,75,000 MTPA, and Dujana UP facility has 75,000 MT capacity. So now it has 5 products. In 2019 September, it launched 2 new products, Apollo Steel Plank and Apollo Signature. With all that, major products count is now 5. It's likely to introduce many more. It is now a subsidiary of Sri Lakshmi Metal Udyog Limited, which is a subsidiary of APL Apollo Tubes, India's leading branded steel tube manufacturers. The company proposes to make expansion at both the plants at a capital expenditure of 20 crores each for the current financial year 2020-21. So it will improve the efficiency and production capacity. Management consists of Rahul Gupta, Managing Director, who has about 5 years experience in steel making, etc. Romi Sehgal, whole-time Director, he has got 2 to 3 decades experience. Mrs. Megha Gupta is a non-executive director. Let's look at the quarterly results now. Net sales are 330 crores in September 20, that is Q2 FY21. Previous quarter 171 crores. Year ago quarter 154 crores. So year on year improvement growth is 115%. Quarter on quarter growth is 93%. Remember, net sales have grown 115% year on year. Quarter on quarter growth is 93%. Very impressive. Sales growing at this rate is good. Net profit is 23.8 crores in Q2. In Q1, that is previous quarter, it was 8.96 crores only, and in Q2 of last year, it was just 9.42 crores. So, net profits have also grown 153% year on year and 166% quarter on quarter. See, net sales have grown 115%. Net profit has grown 153% year on year. Equity is 6.08 crores. Basic EPS is 7.83. That also has grown 134% year on year, 165% quarter on quarter. Raw material consumption also has grown by about 86.5%. But it is less than proportionate to sales. Therefore, net profits have increased, profit margins have increased, because raw material consumption has not grown proportionately. So, FY 19-20 performance was very good. The last 5 quarters performance was very good. Q2 performance was good compared to Q1 and last year Q2. Now, market price is around 660 now. Price earning is around 21. Volumes are 330,000, reasonably good. Now, if you look at the annual results, March 2020 only is good. Earlier, it was very nominal. So, I'm not going to go in depth into it. Sales was 663 crores in FY19-20. Net profit was 42 crores. Now, cash flows, if you look at that for FY19-20, operating activity is 83 crores, investing activity is minus 145 crores, financing activity is 66 crores, others 0. Net cash flows are positive at 4 crores. March 20 basic EPS was 14.01. That has risen very well from 0.96 in the previous year. Book value is 65.64 per share. Earlier, nothing much. No dividends were given earlier. Face value is 2 rupees. Gross profit margin is 11.36 for the last year. Operating profit margin is 9.83%. Net profit margin is 6.37%. Rather good for the last year. Earlier, it was not that good. It's likely to grow. Return on net worth is 21.17%. ROCE is 20.22%. Return on assets is 9.22%. Let us see whether it will remain and grow in future. Debt equity ratio is 0.51%, very good. Interest coverage ratio is 10.85%, that also is very good. Ascent turnover ratio is 145%. Inventory turnover ratio is 8.64%. All are good. Now, historical prices we should not see for this company except for the last 1 year. Last year, the opening price was 274, now 625. The growth is 128%. Multi-bagger returns. Now, 3 months before, the price was 459. Now, 625, 36% growth in 3 months. So, good. Now, shareholding pattern, if you see, promoters are holding 62.56%. That's very good. Promoters holding is 62.56%. Pledge is 0. They have not pledged anything. Debt is very limited. FIIs are buying. DIIs are buying. Market cap is 2008 crores. Price earning is 42.24. Face value is 2 rupees. Technical rating, if you see, it's very bullish. Now, so we have covered some of its strength. Promoters are having very good shareholding, are increasing their shareholding also. Trailing 12 months EPS is growth is very good. Debt is very low. Promoters pledge is 0. FIIs and FPIs are increasing their shareholding. All these are strong points. Some good investors, big investors are raising their stake in these companies. That's very good. So, many people are having good opinion about the future of Apollo TRICOAT Tubes. So, that's what I can say. So, I'm not going to give you more details than this at this stage. Let us watch future quarters also. But so far, see, March 2020, that year was good. Latest quarter is good. So, future is likely to be good. The product seems to be having good demand. 5 products are there. All seem to be technologically superior, having good demand. So overall, Apollo TRICOAT Tubes has performed well in this quarter. So I will come back to you with another good company. This seems to be a good company with a good future, not a great past. Past is nothing much. Thank you for listening. I will come back to you with another very good company. Thank you.